Omukoro gwo kwakira ambulance ensya omukyaro kya Kempungu omurika Komambara City North Division gukurirwa kidikonwa Orsens Mbarara ojwekire Bishop Sheldon Mwesigwa obakwatanise n'abebembezi hamwe n'omujokerwa wa President Jacqueline Kankunda.
Kandi ni shabangwa abantu ba Kempungu musime muruhanga munonga abo abantu aba nangwa tibe Kempungu bonka nicwike cona okugira ngo abantu abiziraha okora nshonge by'amagara.
Ambulance eji emaziroho miliyoni 130 kandi tirwa hirwariro baherize kombe ku muri Kempungu okwera abantu bicyare n'ebindi byaro
tukagamba hirwaro twariyomeka tukagamba ambulance hana ingamba ko mtuze bankahi ba Kempungu ahubwo tukantujya ikintu cyo tukora tecyaba abantu ababinijana konka niki nekintu.
I know it is just the beginning. People that have worked and closely watched Richard Uganda know the spirit of excellence with which we execute.
Umuhezi wa RCC Jacqueline Kankunda hamwe na meya wa Mbara City North Division basimira ba Reach handi Uganda abo kuyamba government okusya obuherezo mu byaro
kandi yebare no kukora ebintu bikwalininga na programs za president to empowering abana, the skilling. You are actually in line with what the government is planning, so we thank you and salute you.
Twinirwa ruharia ya charwa Uganda. It was a small health center, kakaka yari ngo wa health center 2. It was now upgraded to health center 3. Kunkakina ni ndeba services ziriya pharmacy, laboratory, reception, administration, maternity na n'ibindi byone. Nareba ngo hateki twagaruka twagita ukiriya abantu bitu mbwe narabure kukirabira yukwasiki.
When you start, it works.
Abatura ba Kempungu basimira obuhereza bwa ambulance bahirwe.
Eki watuletera kinkuma ukuna kwebaza nyo amuva kweremut.
Mwentu kusima ntira ambulance ejo neza kutukora kandi kujya ne kora bakunu bo.
Nda Aidan Bataringaya.